Welcome guys to tutorial info channel. In front of me is Fairphone 5 and in this video I am going to show you how to use AI on this device. Alright, so I am going to show you how to use AI by searching items using, for example, Google Lens. Also you can use ChatGPT. So look, firstly we have to install Google Lens from our Play Store. So now we can open the app. We have to allow access to photos and to camera. And now look, here I have my drink. So I am going to take a photo of this drink, and as you can see, it searched it right here. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.